A warm welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss on taking care of trees. If you like, please appreciate us and stay connected with us. Thank you. Hello dear, I heard that you are fond of planting trees.
Yes, dear, you have heard right that I'm a fond of planting trees because we are because of them.
You are absolutely right dear.
And dear, what I'm doing nowadays, I try my best to care them.
You are doing a great job and you are also a good human being.
No, it is not like that. I'm a good human being because sometimes what happens with me, sometimes I'm unable to care them properly, and because of it, it seems that I have killed them.
Don't think like that because it happens with me too. Whenever I try to plant trees, they wither and are not able to make them survive.
Dear, apart from it, I try my best to care them. I give them proper sunlight, I give them proper water, and still it happens with me. I am unable to understand it.
uh, don't think too much about it because sometimes we are not able to understand that what types of care they require for and what types of place they require.
Okay, apart from it, why do you avoid planting trees?
Because I don't have much idea about planting trees, and whenever I buy them, they wither, and I am not able to take care of them properly. So I avoid buying plants. So, if you don't mind, can you teach me how to plant?
Of course, I will teach you, but not now because I'm going to my village and now I am busy nowadays because I have to go to my village. So when I will come from the village, then I will make you understand.
Okay, dear. Then tell me, you are going to your village, and who is going to take care of your plants? If you don't mind, may I do?
No, you don't need to do because I have my friend. He will care by all the plants because he is my best friend and he will care by all the plants. And I have already told him that can you nursery my all the plants? Then he said me that okay, I will care all your plants. So and if you want to join him, then you can join him.
Okay, then. So then, when are you about to come?
I am about to come a couple of weeks.
Okay. So, did you think anything for World Environment Day?
Yeah, you are right that World Environment Day is about to come, and I have thought that we should do something special. But I want to know from you firstly.
I asked because I have a plan that we can plant more trees on 5th June. As we know, this is the date is held as World Environment Day, and we in that day we can make our society aware of planting trees.
Yeah, you are right that, but you are right. But apart from it, I have another idea that we can tell to our friends, so that they can also plant the trees more, and because of it, we can control the global warming also. Because we are only 2% who will plant the trees. But apart from it, if we will tell our friends, then they will join us. They can join us, and if we will also, and if we can also tell to our neighbors, they can also join us, so that we can control the global warming.
Yes, you are absolutely right, and I will also try to make. I will also try to gather my friends, and I will tell them to make our society aware of planting trees.
Apart from it, we can do one more thing, that we can paste the so many types of poster in our street, in our home, so that we can give the message to someone else.
That's a great idea, dear. Did you think any slogan for the society?
So recently, I haven't thought about any slogan, but I will think. But I can give you an idea that we can share about the garbages as our neighbors and our family members keep on throwing the garbages here and there. So we can give the message about it. What do you think about it?
That's a great idea, and it will help us to make our society very clean, and we can protect our environment for our better future.
Thank you.
Thank you.